Assalamu alaikum warahmatullah. Welcome to our project. My name is Yahya Mahzari. This is our outline. First, we will show the project video. Then I will make introduction of our project. Then Majid will list the components needed and the materials used for this project. Then Abdullah Al-Arafa will continue to explain the level indicator circuit. Then Muhammad Al-Hassan will explain the water level control circuit. Then we will show you the actual project and the application and the cost and the conclusion. Now the tank is full. As we see, it is high. This is the main tank. This is the consumer tank. After we drain the tank, it will become low, very low. The pump will fill until it will become the same like this level. Then the pump automatically stop. Now it's medium level. Now it is low. Now it's very low. The pump will start automatically now. It will fill the tank until it's getting in the low level. It will become medium now. Now it become high. It will become green. It's mean high. Finally, it will stop when it's very high. Now the pump it stop, as we see here. The pump stop automatically to prevent from overflow. Thank you. We open electronics hub and we pick this circuit, and we pick it for the purpose that it's related to our course, which is including transistors, and we use transistor as a switch in this project. The main circuit was level indicator, but we added a controller circuit to the project.
We used many components and materials in this project, and I'll be listing them. I'll start with the components. We used 4 transistors, which consist of 3 BC548 transistors and 1 BC547 transistor. We used 3 100 ohm resistors and 3 2.2k ohm resistors. We used 2 1 mega ohm resistors and 1 10k ohm resistors. The LEDs we used were 1 red LED, 1 yellow LED, and 1 green LED. We used silicon diode, 555 timer, 12 volt relay, mini DC water pump, 12 volt and 5 volt batteries, metal contacts, and the breadboard. I'll be listing the materials that we used in the project, and they were 2 plastic tanks, hose, and water.
As shown in figure 1, the circuit is mainly contains of 3 transistors, 3 LEDs, resistors, metal contact, and 4.5 volt supply. All metal contacts are submerged inside the water tank. M1 is connected to the 4.5 volts and placed in the bottom of tank to supply small voltage to other metal contacts. So, when the water level touch the M2, the small voltage applied to the base FQ1 of the first transistor, and then the current will flow from collector to the emitter, and the red LED will glow, which indicates the low level. Then, when the water level touch the M3, the small voltage applied to the base FQ2, the second transistor, and then the current will flow from collector to the emitter, and the yellow LED will glow, which indicates the medium level. Finally, when the water level touch the M3, the small voltage applied to the base FAQ3, the third transistor, and then the current will flow from collector to the emitter, and the green LED will glow, which indicates the high level.
As shown in figure 2, the circuit mainly contains of 555 timer BC547 transistor, 1N4007 diode, 2-volt DC relay, resistors, metal connectors, and 12 volts supply. 555 timer and BC547 transistor and relay control this circuit. When the water level goes below low level in the previous circuit, the water will touch the metal contact M5, and that will automatically turn on the DC water pump. When the water level exceeds the high level, the water will touch the metal contact M6, and the DC water pump will automatically turn off the DC water pump. The purpose of the 1N4007 diode to prevent the relay and the transistor from the reverse voltage that can occur when the relay's magnetic field collapses during the switching.
And this is our actual circuits, which is indicate the indicator, also the controller. And here is the materials we use, which is 2 bottles. One represents main tank, which has the pump, and the other one the consumer tank. The applications are, it has many applications. It's used for home, for gardens and industries. And this is our cost. It's cost less than 100 riyals. Finally, thank you for listening to our presentation. And water is the life of everything, and this is our resources. Thank you very much.